Hey YouTubers, just another update on my Blu-ray and Steelbook collection, and I got this in the mail, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. It is the Shooter Blu-ray Steelbook, so let's undo it and show you. I have seen this film. I did enjoy it. Some people I've spoken to don't, but I found it's not bad. I wouldn't say it's the greatest film I've ever seen in the world, but I enjoyed it, so I can recommend it. Wouldn't necessarily buy it if you're unsure. Maybe hire it or rent it or on the line or something. Got a backing card stuck to it, so I'm going to just get that off. So yeah, on the back it's just details about the film. You get in the special features 7 deleted scenes, the making of Shooter in HD, commentary by the director, theatrical trailer, independent tour in HD, so special features in HD, so that's cool. This Steelbook has got like a glossy feel, and it sort of stands out to the rest of the Steelbook. It's like shiny. There's this side. There is the back. And inside you've got the one disc, and you've got some artwork which is cool, like running through the woods with a gun. Sorry, the lights are not too good. But yeah, it's nice to have artwork in the Steelbook anyway. So yeah, that's the Shooter Blu-ray Steelbook. Hope you liked the video, and cheers for watching. See ya.